Wow. O, browse through ko na lang. Sobrang thick niya eh. Too thick. Hindi natin matatapos yan. Ayun o. May umiinom na pala. Oh, exterior. Kasi po, good burger. Such a thick book. Grabe na book ito. Palladium. Singing one of the most remarkable pieces. Called Goldberger, the New York Times. Okay, naman. Dito. Islands. Ito yata yung islands eh. Wait lang. Ayan o. Ooh. Outdoor living. Ito naman yung outdoor. Ito naman desk work. Yan, the getaways 100 getaways. Oh, look at that. Wala na palang laman. Akala ko lang yun. Wala pala siyang laman. Akala ko mayroon 100 getaways. Wala na palang laman. I think nandito yung book, oh. Maybe. The book is here. I don't know. Oh. Lars Boulanger. Iba naman ito eh. Yan, oh. The book. The pool book. So, what do you mean by that? Walang laman yun. The pool book. Ano? Mga swimming pool? Oo nga. Mga pools. Anyways, ito. Interior. Mga interiors. It's a nice, wonderful afternoon to spend here. And there. How nice. Okay. And look at that. Oh, diba? Very cozy. Ito. Let's continue. Wow, bedrooms. Uy, very soon yung baba ng yung mall doon sa may ano ha, yung 81 Mall. Actually, magkakaroon ng furniture shop. So, ayan. Dati meron silang mga antique na, oo, pinapakita doon eh. So, I tried to ask for yung isa. Oh, nice daisies. Shasta daisies. The tulips. How nice. Clearer now. Okay. Cozy afternoons. Looking at beautiful homes. Okay, interiors and sa labas. The Bonnier home. Okay, there you go. Okay. Opulent, no? Parang floating ano siya, oh, floating, and then upstairs, floating stairs. So upstairs ganyan na siya. Wow. Tapos ito, bedroom naman. Ayan naman. Sims Home. Lagi yun. Sa New Jersey. Sims pala yan. Ayan. Okay, dito po sa magazine. I'm just browsing. Okay, leafing through this magazine which I found here. I wanted sana to see the inside of the 100 Getaways. But the box doesn't have anything. So, wala. Ito yung nakita ko meron. And then the full book. Pero I don't need to see the full book. Oo, we just saw one page. Okay na po yun. Ito interiors. Mas interesado po ako dito. Okay, stairs. Going up. Dalawang stairs. Meeting at the landing. Wow. Kitchens. Rustic and how do you call them? Anong klase ito? Mga lumang-luma, no? Bathtub pa. May bathtubs. Wow. And finally, syempre pagkatapos niyan, siguro gardens. Mali. Saan gardens? Ayan ang gardens. Ayan ang mga bedrooms. Mountains. Oo. And Gert Raman. Ang inspiration niya daw. Nick Fidian Green. Okay. Might as well. Si might as well. Might as well. Wow. Nice. Nice. Antique ah. Antique look ah. Nice. Okay. Wow. Nice one. A dog. Dogs. China cabinet. Wow. And then, parang si Queen Elizabeth, ah. Okay, nice. Oo, sino nga yung ganyang, ano? No more. Photo credits. Ito po yung mga photo credits dito sa magazine na to. Lars Bolander. Interior Design Inspiration. Are you inspired? Ayan o.